Hexaria is where you're in a hex world and they're bandits with other people in, and you have to defeat them. Right now I'm looking and my is gone. But we are Raymond. He is very focused. No, help, I need help. Where are you though? Come over here down at the sand, I'm trapped. Sand? Oh, there you are. Two bandits! Two bandits! Defeat those bandits and I get out of this cage. What's up, Mr. Bandits? Why you got blue hair? I got no hair. It's your turn, you just round a card. Move closer that you can click the move button, then click this on that cell to move there. Move card. You don't have enough bits to use your slingshot. Everyone gets it each turn. Bits are play different cards. If you don't have enough bits for a card, you won't be able to use it. Skip button to pass your turn. It looks like the range of your slingshot now. No need to move any closer. Time to check. Click on the slingshot to card to activate. Slingshot. Attack. He's dead. He's gonna slap me. How dare you? Run away so that trick can sprint you into the banana peel trap. There. Nice place, but he won't be able to see it. But it's a banana peel. Whoop! Time to heal it. Quick, the afternoon daylight card to use on yourself. Healing me. He's about to slap me again. Pow! Defeat him with this. Time to defeat this punk. Use your attack card. Attack! Bop. Hiya. Yeah. He's dead. Thank you so much for your help. Here, take this pack of cards as a token of my gratitude. Open up your inventory by clicking the 3 dots at the top right over your screen. Once you click that backpack, you see your inventory. When you are finished, go to the same mainland. Is it there? Nope. 3 dots. Ba-ba-ba-dum. Raymond, are you going to say anything? Is Ari going to say? Hello. Those boats are right there. You can sail to the mainland. To mainland we go. They're not moving. Teleporting, teleporting, teleporting. Here we are. Welcome to Hexaria. Bandits. Bandits. Raymond, where are you? Why can't no? I see lots and lots and lots of bandits. And none of them are straight because they're all hexagons. Hello. I went left from the fork in the road. I'm going right. Now I'm at this huge mountain.
Then you pass. Then you're. Go back.
Do you see me jumping on this mountain?